OPUS, the AI platform for smart production, is designed for process and reliability engineers, subject matter experts, analysts, and operators. Built for high-volume, operational, time series data, OPUS is in a league of its own. End users can discover actionable insights by combining time series data and no-code AI modeling for highly accurate predictive maintenance, process optimization, and deviation management. So how does it work? Connected to live and historical operational data, end users can easily produce AI models which holistically analyze operations, as well as individual equipment or complex problem statements. Discover the time to failure for an asset or receive an alert when an asset is deviating from normal operation. End users can do a deep dive into the root cause and contributing factors to a model prediction, enabling proactive decision-making and interventions. Armed with data-led insights, with OPUS you can expect improved asset reliability, operational efficiency, and production. OPUS, it's AI, but not as you know it.